Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mudassir Ijaz and welcome to my channel ProgTech. Today in this tutorial, I will tell you about the valid form validation with the help of jQuery. So, first of all, I will log you that how it's work. That is my simple form, and now if these these are the error actually, and this is the my actually the password field, and it gave me that password is mandatory. Now if I write the password m, then it show me the error that please enter the password in uppercase, lowercase, and number. Now I have write the password a smaller s and 1. Now why not, sorry, a s 1. Now it's automatically hidden, and now if in confirm password I write the m, simply m. Now it's giving that password is not same, so it's mean that we must provide the same password. If we provide the same password, then it automatically vanish. And in the similarly in email field, if we use the at the rate, then it's not give us the error. Actually, the in by the help of jQuery, it's give us the actually it is the host side validation, not server side validation. It's give the us the error without any page refresh, without any page refresh. So without wasting our time, we start our code how to validate the form by the help of jQuery. It's so simple. That is my simple form. It's my form. In this, I have made so many so many input fields, that input, joining date, cancellation, terms and condition, gender selecting, password. But the working for all the fields, validation for all the field is same. Simple that very basic difference between all of them. Now, first of all, you have to add the script, and you have to must add the jQuery CDNs. That are the jQuery CDNs that you easily access from the internet. And now go to our jQuery code, and these are the my form, and in the form I give the form an ID basic form. And now go to our script code. I remove this, it's not now script code. Actually, in the jQuery, we have made the rules. There are built-in rules for name, email, password. These are built-in rules. But we also create our own rules for our own validations by the help of making our new rules, and these are actually done help of by the help of regular expressions. We add the regular expressions in our rules, and then we create our new rules according to our own choice. But jQuery give us the built-in rules for form validation. And now this is my script tag after the body and before the HTML. You also use it in the body tag, but I write here to make the differentiate between them. And now dollar sign document dot ready function and dollar sign basic form. To access the form in our jQuery, we use the ID, and to write the ID, we must use the hash symbol, number sign symbol. And now dot validate function into, now the rule is start rules colon and curly braces and f name actually our first name, that is our f name, input field for our first name, f name colon. And now I write the required true, means that it must require for form submitting. And I write it minimum length is 3. Similarly for the last name, I made the required true and minimum length 3. And if I go to the now for the password, I make the password required true, and also I make the strong password true. And for confirm password means that uh, if you give the password, then the confirm password it will same to our password. So I write that cpass is the required true, and it's equal to, that is the equal to is the jQuery function, and I used equal to, and that is hashtag password w For a confirmation password, you have to give an ID to your confirm password. The sorry, to your password. That is my name of the password and ID of the password. So I write in the confirm password that the it must be equal to my password. So if you want to, and you have it has a different attributes like number, minimum, maximum, and that is the email. Email true means that it gives you an error if you don't use the @symbol .com etc. And if you want to show the message of your own choice, like the password is mandatory, password is required, any else. And now for this purpose, you have to use the word attribute messages colon and curly braces. Now the pass W. Pass W is actually my password, and I write here. I give the required password is mandatory. Here I change the message. Okay, change the message, and I change the message of confirm password. Password is mandatory. Password not same. You also write these for any. For example, if you want to change the email, then you must write here the email and colon, and then you write your own message. So these are the simple code for our form validation. And now I have to check you write for example if I write. So uh, first of all I submit the form without given anything submit. Now these are the error. These are the host side error. The field is required. The field is required. Password is mandatory. And these are actually. And now if I give the q. Now please enter at least three letters. So because I give the minimum length three, and q now it's completely and q. Okay. And now if I press the q, it's give me the error that please write uppercase, lowercase. Actually, here I write the rules. I made my own rules for uppercase, lowercase, and number. And if you want to make your own rules, how you can uh, apply the more validation in your form, then you must have to watch my the next video. And in next video, I will tell you how to create your own rule. It's very simple, not so difficult task. So and similarly, the password is if I q capital Q, W, and 1. And if I write only Q, then it's give me the error password is not same. Why the password not same? Because in the code we use that it must be our confirm password, C password confirm password equal to the our password. So that's why it give us the error. And here's are the image field, country field, select means that these are the only errors. So if you fill all these form, then you don't show it. It don't show any error. So these are the simple validation by the jQuery. You also apply the validation by the help of PHP, but the validation applied by the PHP is the server side validation. It's the client side validation, and it's client side, and the PHP validation is the server side validation because it's PHP validation give you the error after the form submitting, but if give you the error before the form submitted, and before the form submitting is the client side validation. So these are the simple validation by the help of jQuery, and thank you so much, and waiting for my next video that how to make your own rules in the jQuery for making validation more strong and strong. So for that time, Allah Hafiz, and thanks for watching my video.